we made it into North Macedonia. A few derelict buildings and a bit of construction going on. There was a lot of gruffness at the border, which is to be expected in this area, but probably a bit more than usual here. Anyway, we made it. Looking forward to spending a couple of days here in Lake Ohrid. Quick stop on the side of the road. We're driving through Pallister National Park. It's very green, still some snow up on the mountains. We have a very nice apartment in Ohrid, North Macedonia, and it overlooks Lake Ohrid. So tomorrow we're going to head to that mountain top overlooking the lake. Since we've been in the car all day, we've decided to go for a late evening stroll. Hopefully make it down to the lake. It's about a 40-minute walk though. There we go, into the old town. Inside the fortress, which was built, well, started a couple of thousand years ago, but really developed into this about 1,000 years ago. See the city out there? That's Ohrid town, looking out over Lake Ohrid. And on the other side is Albania. Wow. There's a lot of archaeological diggings going on, especially under that building there.
So many people are doing that, even older people.
Added to our wildlife spotting collection, a dead scorpion. Also on our wildlife tour,
I thought it was a
a
crab.
frog.
I thought it was a turtle.
Oh, it's a green one.
Looks like there's about to be thunderstorms soon, so we're going to find a place to sit and have lunch. Ancient Macedonian theatre, which they still use.